pass out in Tamale, they pass out in northern regions. In your video, man. So until I got to previously try pass out the manum woman to so power to be home be shops, be it makeups, tailor, and I'm more concerned about hairdress and mean tailor. I'm more concerned because I'm and diva and yalla. I will be anchored at the minute car 2 years, 3 years. So that when you come on, T can pass out, man. To be anything, to be near Ben Shiao. Cover water to the Malala cana to Shalom Bohamma, come out to be and can pass out in it. Captiella, Bimo, on your capability, until she cover, until she do mamma, until she to be in yellow. And ye be on to no as on, or to my style, on to Shamazalam, on the men of Shamon, on the bishop, make up a yetia. 10 number exams on pass a can ye shambon, the Benyeti. Palati to kana pass out and a bone water to Ben Shanyam, I am ka or yina. I will make you up. I'm alive. I'm alive. And Abika, but I go Suguma, the man didn't cut the family in the Mabora. So he canako young Vina to Guessa, Ramano Kubukata. I'm your own bunkana pass out motion, Michelle Cabin pass over me, the Benyaba. Bima te yinan chen gwara won yang ne be yan yina te dil argoro te nyeta ka pass out there kan on bang tuma ma nyon te tika ta zan tan da fun ya de to ashe in ya newton she da nan kana bin kana ta buhan tela halan ta bankayan passe ka pass out ma dale kama karshe composer yi panyele hairdresser tailor pass out my dad she be in to wa formation can you cut dance group cut some by pi mpanjo mpanjo sami abubalu mpanjo cat cancel be you phone by bet pass out my dad otaka hanye onye bang yil shell da wale den dalma ne la cat work ma den very important ngar onye de certificate here. So come down. High pass out no ya car certificate no na ba no ready maybe but able to print designers na no bet la cat work ma no formation wa ma nyama jilen semenzo opinta nyere nda nye shab no hana pallon zo akusar kana ka kulan tap tam palle zo that time agba kana chetuma karku ela one day ma like jilen like kai nang pass out ka sang be ma mbo warna no to wo ba wa den dal ka ba wa no ana to za something display better pass out ma da ki kulam tela no da ta nzale flow man ka sang table zal ka sang tan pakat ba 10 minutes total 10 minutes na ngma style ngo total 20 minutes na nang mongo ko prove te duniya za mi no yang na mi ano kana ta bu hantuma ama tana jin yale dan dai won yilba na won tanti ten yongo ten yale won nerba kana ti ce la ar yongo ten yale won do shin ka fa vial be won tar drinks yongo te ma sotra nda yar previous video na pa ko na kula de zabia pa ko na pass out there ko ku so push na mi ora bang la no po na don ha nerba mil ka ku gwai sa karta pargolo ka ku shin ma ku yo na bana an lu ka viable ko rati don wona ha nerba pam na jira shahara. So what kind of life mbala ka be chikana na ta buhan tuma en shi nema ka pass out there ka ne wa when your competition gwai seven your competition hai ka ta shi wada gwara biane ngumai da gwara nyon oche everything when it comes to the north tin tenel ka to kunye flichting den dai ma be pai ka kusan washing bay ma nan zan zel kama center ka ya bi ma ta 10 minutes washing so zo ka no style be kon road within 1 minute den yele ko provote that ya o mr ngo be kama ko bon mi ban shi ayala den dare akar ko shi saloma an so wo monu ko eto style bo ka bora you there when you pass ma o mahanle within 1 minute o shamle within 1 minute pass out there ma zalin ya tira ka ta 10 minutes zan ma style ngo ka tinya ta ngo zan shi ze play ta ngo that is better for us than Garanwala Kakwe may pass out. Cow chant the high war one and auto wahabi wa for the pass out day. So come down, so come down. Before Casla, hype to non pass out, no current debaka certificates been already. The Betia Harba. I'm a DJ where you more than the Anya pass on your Kurkan in time years. Why war? Ka shop shanga bi anda pun yelen previous videos ka tasia competition in yele ka master na ma ba buar la kan ko mi dana kan yara kan mai da shanga shara kan mai shop shele girl yi buhan tuma o sane kama den yela tak ami o zan le ta ka yi ho be business aka so ka buhan tuma o sane ka yene la wa ma be gwesi ma be nan la buar ra duwa composer ne sha nan le sha kana like foolishness. Awuro ya tuma be awuro la pagwar sogo be kaka tu this time babam bu han makeup ma gar ben ya makeup shop ma ka ko aku jangna te kale makeup bam chang bu ha ma ga sigar ben ya makeup shop ma kama million 20 ne to en no zungo dertum ne makeup artist na me kama 10 so me be kama 6 maybe so kam ne to en 3 clients be Antonia Camlianum 10 yen no zungo ka makeup artist na man 242 so she so kan into bagbal makeup ka so kan to makeup bu ay nga ka so nanka into pergot ka so makeup avure ka so makeup andal ka so kan to makeup wolum fo ka so makeup wolum lo abdibasi ko chire on kama how peace out. Keep watching. Come on, how for more. Will I get to Bergazia and born to heaven? Come on, how? Will I get never adanka yet to 247? Come on.